Okay, guys, sorry about that. I don't know what happened, but we're going to put the rest of the flowers in her hair, and then we're going to reveal. So, same method. Hot glue. You do not have to cut the stems off when you're putting them in her hair. Give me that bunch of purple flowers over there, please. Right there is fine. Thank you. Thanks. You keep letting flies in. I don't know how my video went off. Guys, he is letting flies in my house. If I wanted him to say hello, he wouldn't. That's my son. After the flower application, she's going to be done. Remember from the last video tutorial, when you glue your flowers down, glue them in between pieces of mesh. Like here's a piece and here's a piece. Glue your flower in the center of here so you'll have something for it to attach to, okay? Otherwise, they may drop off. I like this method. I really, really like the cutting the mesh at 20 inches. Because I told you I like to do the most with my frames, and I love the big hair. I love the big hair. But you guys put your own spin on it. I love the big hair. And she needs more flowers. So far I've used 1, 2, 3 bushes of flowers. Which is fine. They were small bushes. So in all actuality, if you buy a big bush, like from Hobby Lobby, their bushes have lots and lots of flowers. But this didn't come from Hobby Lobby. So I had to use 3 versus 1. And another way to fill in the gap, if you know, I just happen to have more mesh left, but another way you can fill in that gap is with flowers. You can fill it in with flowers, one big flower if you have it, or I'm going to show you I've used multiple to fill in that gap. And again, this was an impromptu video. This is the first time I've made this one. So I didn't know what it was going to turn out to be, but it turned out real pretty. Turned out really pretty. Alright, we're getting ready for the big reveal. I have one more. Flower to apply. Okay. I'm going to learn how to flat out these bloopers too, guys. But you right at home with me, so if you good, I'm good. I don't think I left out any steps. If you want to trim her the edges, you can, but again, I'm not going to do that because I like for the canvas to be seen. Now, if someone wanted to purchase this, I would ask them if they want it trimmed out. They can tell me what color they want it trimmed out in, and then I could do it that way. So here she is, guys. She winking at somebody. So if you like this and you want to see more, please like, share, and subscribe to Cynthia's Creations. Thank you. Have a blessed day.